Beloved students, a happy morning. I am Murari Shravanti, back with another video for 7th class students. It's really good to see you all again. Hope things are going well. In this session, we are going to have a discourse in the form of a conversation based on the town mouse and the country mouse reading passage. The town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. One day, the town mouse fell ill with a cough, and his doctor advised him to take a rest at the countryside for a week to recover from his illness. He wrote to his cousin to get confirmation who lives in a country. As soon as he got the confirmation in the form of an invitation from his cousin, the town mouse packed his bag and got the next train to the countryside. He went on his journey by an ordinary train. Now, it is time to have a conversation with his cousin, the country mouse, at the railway station.
Hi cousin, welcome to country. How are you?
I am not fine because of this dreadful journey.
Why? What happened?
There is no AC coach in the train. Terribly, the journey was horrible. Now I am feeling thirsty. May I have some ice cold water to drink?
I have no ice cold water to drink. In the country, we have only water, cousin. If you don't like water, I can look around for some coconut water.
What? Coconut water?
Yes, coconut water.
Don't you have orange juice or lemonade?
I'm afraid not. No juices here in the country. Only coconut water.
What a country is it? Nice to know. What do you have for dinner?
A nice piece of fruit and a tender bit of sugar cane.
What? What did you say? Only root and sugar cane? I think I won't enjoy the raw food.
Yes, cousin, that is only our food in the country.
It's difficult to have.
Cousin, come, take rest and sleep well. You have tired a lot because of the journey on a sunny day.
Yes, I'm feeling so tired.
Come, let's have a sleep here.
Where should I sleep?
Here, itself on the ground.
What? On the ground?
Yes, at the corner of the mouse hole.
The hard and cold ground caused me not to get sleep. Cousin, I want to ask you something.
Yes, you can, without any hesitation.
Why is it so quiet here? Where are all the cars and lorries? Where are the radios and televisions? Where are all the lights?
This is how it is in the country, my dear. It's always quiet in the country. Sometimes it's quieter than today. My grandfather says that our village is the quietest among all the villages in our district.
Oh, is it? The country is a strange place.
Both cousins fell into deep sleep. The next day came into their life.
Good morning, cousin. Is the breakfast ready? I'm feeling hungry.
Good morning, very good morning, cousin. We have to go to the nearby farm to search for food. I'm sure that we would find some nice piece of fruit and a tender bit of sugar cane.
Oh my god, again the same raw food. I am vexed enough. I want to leave this strange place. Alright, my dear cousin. I think I'll catch the next train home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something over there.
As the town mouse is not able to adjust itself to the country environment and food habits, he took the next train to the town by saying a lame excuse that he had forgotten something. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you again soon with the next half from the same reading passage.